now. What you want buy? We say we swap, we buy. I be one repair. I get scream of that phone. No. What you do? What you want do inside? Come now.
I said I know someone here. I'm looking for the person. I know where I'm going to. Why are people calling me? Oh,
They say we get everything. Now China phone they say. Now we they say we dey repair, we dey fix. Anything we want we go do am for you. Now I shop come to Nkewa as well.
Fine girl, come now. Now repair been a fixing. Which one you want do? Come. Now we go give you what you want.
I said I know where I'm going to. I'm looking for someone. Is it not you guys I saw outside the gate?
Better come our side. What we go do for you?
Shebi I tell you say na here now. Shebi I tell you say now we go do this phone for you. Everywhere where you go see us. We be like network. In fact, I will dey run to myself. Anytime I go, anywhere where you go see us. I be no be so.
So now we now.
Whatever. I want to repair my phone. It has a mouthpiece issue. And if I'm making call, the person will hear me. I cannot hear the person, or I'm hearing the person. The person will not
Bring that now. Go run am for you. Na small thing. We go run am.
No problem. Let's try your hand.
Ready for.
How much is the call for repairing the phone?
Madam, na 35 now.
35.
Na 35.
For just mouthpiece?
Madam, will be professional engineer here. I said, you go carry and go those side mechanic, but they go.
Whatever, just wait. How many hours? How many hours is it going to take?
Just give us 45 minutes. You come back and take your phone.
Okay, no problem. I'm coming back. Just handle with care. I have a lot of documents inside. I don't want to lose it.
Madam, go fix your. We go run am for you. Na small thing now. You never see this kind of phone before. How did they use it? Take it. No, you don't need this one.
I don't need that one. Calm down. I get my own way of repairing phone. You will see today.
I get time. What is this time?
Now that can make them they work. If you don't do kind for no work. Did that woman come?
You don't finish am. My man.
Yes, Nigeria.
People no gree on. What happen? No gree on.
Are you sure?
No gree
Say the
on.
phone no be on.
Yes.
Nice.
Take go. What the packet? What the packet? What kind of work phone? One your phone yes.
But if they don't put them for light, no be okay.
Make we charge am.
Charge am.
The phone no dey on.
You no gree on.
You no gree on.
Abeg, I see. Not true. You no gree come up. Nigeria. You go do.
I don't know what you go do.
You know exactly. If that woman come, you go tell her say that in her battery they do. So if you reach us, make you go charge her. Say the battery there.
Maybe she go charge her. She go charge her.
Are you done?
Yes, madam, we don't finish them.
So fast?
Yes.
Can I have the phone?
See the phone here.
It's not on me.
Yes, battery. Now your battery, madam. Your battery runs out. If you reach us, you charge her.
My battery?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Come on.
Thank you. Now, I want you. I have to go now. So I want him phone now. Not together. Forget about wow.